Hi, I am Manish. Today I am going to show you how to solve this Puppet Cube version 2. Version 2 is relatively easy compared to version 1 because in version 1 you won't be able to find this corner which is hidden in version 1. So it is in version 1 it is difficult to figure out, but in this case it is relatively easy. So there are three basic main steps to solve this. First is to bring this cube into square shape. Second is to permute the corners, and third step is to fix the edges. So first let us scramble it. So now it is scrambled properly. So according to me, there is no particular algorithm to fix, get into the square shape, but it's intuitive. uh, so let's try to figure out. And it requires some practice. So once you get into some shape, you will get to know how to fix the uh, pieces to get into square shape. So let's try various options to fix the pieces. So now you will get this kind of shape. This shape you will get many times. So wherein all bottom blocks are into place, and you will see these two blocks are not properly positioned, and this is also not properly positioned. So in this case this is or you will get exactly reverse situation, but the shape will be like this only. So in this case what you can do is you can use this algorithm to back into square shape. So it is u prime, sorry, r prime, u, r, and u prime, or u. So this will bring into square shape. We'll try another one more time to practice it. Okay, so we'll again practice this. So now you can see again you get the same shape. So this is from left side, I mean mirror position. So what we have to do is we have to match this corner with this, and this should be outside. And now we have to use this algorithm, that is L U prime, L prime, and your U prime. So I mean again you will get that shape. Okay, so now let us see how we can permute the corners. Okay, so now next step is to fix the corners into its correct place. So there are few corners which are not correctly placed. So first what we'll have to do is we'll have to swap the corners. So we'll use YG-Cuber's algorithm to swap top corners. So this corner will flip and come over here, and this corner, this is orange, blue and white, will come here. So first let us fix this. So I mean yellow will come here, yellow, orange and green will be placed here, and this will be placed here. Okay, so this is our top position. So this back left corner and front right corners will swap. So the algorithm is R prime U, again R prime U prime, again R prime U, R U prime, R U2, R prime U prime, R U, R prime U, R U2, okay. So now we have to change the position. So from here, this is our top, this is our front. So we have to change the position, like this is our front and this is our this is our front and this is our top. And now we have to again do one algorithm, that is R prime U, R, and now again we have to change the position. So we have to bring this to this position, and now again L U prime, L prime and U prime. So now you can see the corners are swept. So this corner has come, I mean it has been placed here, and this corner is placed here. So these two corners swept. So we started with this. Okay, so now let us swap another corner. Okay, so we have swapped these two corners, and this corner is now on left top. So we can swap this to T-shape corners. These are T-shaped corner on top. So this is the algorithm which we used is for top corner swapping for T-shaped corners. So you can see this is T-shaped and this is also T-shaped. Okay, now we'll see can we swap this kind of top corners. So we have another T-shaped, this is also T-shaped corner, and this is also T-shaped corner. So this orange, blue and white corner will come here, and this will complete, and this yellow, blue and red will come here. So we'll have 3 yellow corners. So this is also top corner swapping, we have to use that algorithm. So again we'll use it. So we have to use it from here. This will be our top corners which will swap. So it is R prime, U, again R prime, U prime, R prime, U, R, U prime, R, 2U, R prime, U prime, R, U, R prime, U, R, U2. Okay, now we have to change the position of cube. So from here, this was our, this is our top and this is our front. Now we have to bring this up and left. So this is our front and this is our top. And now we have to use R prime, U, R, and again we have to change the position to this side, left, and we have to use this algorithm L, U prime, L prime and U prime. Okay, so now you can see this orange side is all corners are properly placed. Here we have 1, 2, 3 yellow corners are placed. Now we are left with only 2 corners. So we have to swap this corner. This is front corners which we need to swap. So okay, so these 2 corners we need to swap. Okay, so now we are left with 2 corners which we need to swap. This is green, yellow and red, and this is white, blue and red. So this will come here and this will come here, and our all corners will be placed properly. So there are some blocks which is bandaging, so we need to try different position to swap the corners. So sometimes it may happen that you try from this and it doesn't work, then you have to try from this angle. So this too will swap. So instead of this on left top, it should be on right bottom, and this will be on left top. So this both will swap. So first we'll try from here this algorithm. If it works, we'll use it from here, otherwise we'll change the position. Okay, so this is algorithm basically for solid blocks. not solid blocks, but blocks which doesn't have this kind of shape like T shape. So these two blocks we have to swap, and it is front side. So this is another algorithm which will swap this two, and we have to use this algorithm, that is 2u r u prime r prime. So you can see we can't do r prime from here, so we'll have to reverse this. So it is u r prime and 2u. So from this angle this will not work, so what we'll do is we'll change the position and we'll try from this angle. Okay, we'll again try this algorithm, that is 2u r u prime r prime 2u r prime u prime r u r prime u prime r prime back prime to r back and r. So now you can see all our corners are properly placed. Okay, now since we have solved the corners, we have to fix the edges. So first we'll fix the centers of each side. So this is orange side, so orange center, this is blue center, and this is yellow center. So now based on this, this is our reference point. So based on this we have to fix the edges. So there are two algorithms given by Daniel, so I'll use this. It is very easy algorithms which he has developed. So it is basically 3 cycle algorithm. One is clockwise and one is anti-clockwise. So I'll just show you clockwise version. So it is u, then r, and then we have to use middle layer m2, and this we have to use this equator or middle layer clockwise e. Again we have to use middle layer 2 times m2 and e. Now we have to reverse it. So r prime and 2u. Okay, again we have to use the same algorithm. So this is r, and now we have to do m2 u, m2 u, and now we have to reverse it. So r prime and u. So what this will do is this will swap this 3 corner. So it is clockwise, so this green and white corner will come here, but if you have noticed, this white was on top and green was in front, so it swept like this, it moved like this. So white on top will come in front white and green will come on left side. So and this piece which was green and orange came here, so green was in front, so it came on top. So what we can do is we can use a reference point that whatever color will be here will be on top. So green is on top and orange was there, orange is on back, and this piece white and blue was here, so whatever piece will be here will simply move like this. So white was on top, so white came on top, and blue was in back, it came in front. So these are three three edge pieces will rotate or will cycle in clockwise manner. So again we'll use this algorithm. So it is very easy algorithm. U, R, first U and R, and then we have to use M2U, M2E, 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 and now we have to reverse R prime and U, U. Again we have to do the same algorithm. So U and R and M2E, M2E, and reverse R prime and U. So now you can see the white and blue piece which was here came here, and this piece white and green came here, and this orange and green from back it came here. So this is clockwise rotation. So this will come here, this will come here, this will come here. Only thing is we need to remember one thing, that if this is the front position like green and orange, so when this will move here, this orange will come in back side, I mean left side, and the whatever color will be on top, like this is in this case it is green, so the top color will come here. So that we have to keep it in mind. Okay, so now again we'll use this algorithm to complete the cycle. So U, R, 2M, E, again 2M, E, R prime, now 2U, again R, now M2, E, M2, E, R prime and U. So this is the cycle is completed. Okay, this is basically right side clockwise version. The mirror clockwise version or from left side version is similar. So it is from left side, so it is U prime, L prime, and now it is M2 and E prime, again M2 and E prime, and now L and U prime, again U prime, and now L prime, and M2 E prime, M2 E prime, and L and U. So now you can see this is counterclockwise version. So the white and green piece which was here moved here, and the white was on top, it came in front, so it moved like this. The green and red piece, so green was on front, it came on top, so whatever color will be here it will come on top. So here it was green, so green came on top and red on back side, and here it is, I mean white and blue, it came here. So this is anti-clockwise version of this algorithm. So again we'll use this u prime l prime, and now 2m e prime, again 2m e prime, l u prime, and again u prime, and now l prime, e prime, m2 e prime, l prime, sorry l, and u prime. So the second cycle, and now will do last time, and the all pieces will be placed into its correct position. So again u prime l prime, m2 e prime, m2 e prime, l 2u, l prime, m2 e prime, m2 e prime, and l u. So this is very easy algorithm which we can use to solve this edge pieces. Okay, one more thing which Daniel discovered is we have to keep this green on top, and we have to use this right side algorithm or clockwise algorithm from green on top and orange in front, and left side algorithm we have to use from this angle. So green on top and yellow is on front. So let's start. Okay, so now next step is we'll fix the edges. So first what we can do is we can probably start with orange. So first we'll fix the orange, I mean this edge pieces. So basically this edge pieces, so this one, this, this. So first we'll fix this layer, and then we'll fix this layer, and in last we'll fix the equator layer, right? So we'll start with this first. Okay, so we have orange and blue, and orange and blue will fix here. So first we'll have to bring this out. Okay, so when we'll bring this out, this orange side will go back, it will come here, sorry, this blue will come here and this orange will come here. Okay, so it will be flipped. So this blue will come in back side here, and the orange side will come here. Okay, so we'll use the right side algorithm. So it is u r m2 u, sorry, e m2 e r prime 2u, again r m2 e m2 e r prime, and u. Okay, so now you can see the blue has moved here and orange has come here. Okay, so now we have to fix this piece over here, right? Because this orange and blue piece belongs to this side. So and what we have to do is, this is orange, so whenever we'll move this, it will come. I'll just show you in this, because what I've done is I have kept both the cycles on white and yellow side. So this is right side cycle, clockwise cycle. So this cycle is clockwise cycle. So this piece will come here, white will come on top and red will go here, right? So now if we want to fix this piece over here, so first we'll have to bring this piece back side, because what will happen is this piece will come here, and then again we'll do one more cycle and this piece will come here, right? So this white and red piece will come here, and then in next cycle it will come here and it will fix this. So we have to do 2 cycles, right? So for that we need this orange side on top, because we want this orange side over here. Okay, now we have to use the algorithm. So U R 2M E, again 2M E, R prime 2U M, sorry, R 2M E 2M E, R prime and U. Okay, now we'll see. Now you can see this orange and blue piece which was here moved back side. So here, now we'll do one more cycle and it will come in front. So this orange and blue will come here and it will be in a proper position. So we'll do again the same cycle over here. So okay, now what we can do is we can find one more option. If we have orange and green, so what will happen is we can fix both the pieces. I mean, orange and green piece will fix here and this piece will come here, so we can fix both the edges together. So if we have orange and green on this side, so we can check. We do not have orange and green. Okay, so anyways, we can fix one by one. So first we'll fix this. Okay, so now we have to do one more cycle. So U R 2M E 2M E R prime 2U R 2M E 2M E R prime and U. Okay, now we'll see. Now you can see this is fixed, this is into its correct position. Okay, now we have to fix orange and green over here and red and green over here. So first we have to find orange and green. So do we have any orange and green piece on this side? We do not have. Okay, so we do not have orange and green. Okay, so do we have, this is blue and white, so we need blue and red. Okay, blue and red is here. So what we can do is we can fix this. This is blue and yellow. This, in this place it should be, this is blue center, this is red, and this is blue and red. So we can do it, we can fix this. This piece, this is blue and red, will come here back side, and it will be in its correct place. Okay, and this space will come here. Okay, so now we'll do the algorithm. So u r 2m e 2m e r prime 2u again r 2m e 2m e r prime and u. Okay, now we'll see this is fixed, this is into its original position. So we have fixed one corner, I mean two corners in its proper place. Okay, now we have to fix green and red and green and orange. So do we have green and red and green and orange? We have green and red over here. We need to find one green and orange. Okay, this what we'll do is we'll fix both the pieces together, because we will have to do 3 cycle. So if we'll fix one piece, we'll have to the next piece will not fix by setup move. So what we'll do is we'll fix both the pieces together. So we have one piece which is in equator line, so we need one more piece, that is green and orange. So if we have green and orange and green and red on equator line, so we can fix both the pieces on this layer. So we need to find green and orange, so probably it will be in this layer. So let's see if we get green and orange. So we have green and orange over here. So what we can do is we can take it out from this side, because this is left side algorithm, as I discussed earlier. Because green and yellow, from here we can use left side or anti-clockwise algorithm, and from this side we have to use clockwise algorithm. So since it is this side, so we have to use anti-clockwise algorithm, and this piece will come here. Okay, so now let us bring this out. So u prime L prime 2m e prime 2m e prime L 2u prime again L prime 2m e prime 2m e prime again L and u prime. Okay, now see this piece has come out. Now since we have done a setup move, because this center belongs to this side, so we'll have to do again fix into its original position. So we have to undo the setup move every time, otherwise we'll get lost. Okay, so now we have both the pieces on this equator line. One is green and orange and one is green and red. So first we'll have to fix green and orange, because whichever piece will be here, it will go on back side and then it will come in front. So if we have to fix this orange and green and orange piece, so first we'll have to fix that piece on back side, and then we have to fix green and red. So both the pieces will fix into its correct position. Okay, so this is our orange and green. Okay, so what we have to do is, now we have to do again a setup move, because now you can see if I bring this piece over here, this orange will come on top and green will come in back side, so it will be flipped. You can see this because green is on top, our center is green, and this orange will come next to green, so it will be flipped. So what we have to do is we have to do a setup move. So we have to fix this edge from this side. So this is a setup move. So what it will do is this green will come on top and it will be into its original position. Now we can see this is green and this is also green. So this is a setup move. So this will come here and then we'll undo the setup move. Okay, so this is left side algorithm. So U prime, L prime, 2M, E prime, again 2M, E prime, L, 2U prime, L prime, 2M, E prime, 2M, E prime, and L prime. Okay, so now we have to see, now we can see this green and orange is placed properly. Once we place the green and red piece, this will come here and it will be into its correct position. So now we have to fix green and red. So we have green and red over here. I think we had, oh, it moved here. Anyway, so we have to bring this out again. Okay, so first we have to bring this out. So it will be anti-clockwise movement, L prime, sorry, U prime, L prime, 2M, E prime, 2M, E prime, L, 2U prime, again L prime, 2M, E prime, 2M, E prime, and L and U prime. So this has come out, this green and red has come out. Now what we have to do is we have to use a setup move. So now we have to bring this green on top. So again, this is from this angle only we have to do it, because we have green on top and this should be this green should be on top. So we have to use a setup move again. Okay, so we'll use it from this angle. So U prime, L prime, two M, E prime, again 2M, E prime, L, 2U prime, again L prime, 2M, E prime, 2M, E prime, and L prime. Okay, so now you can see this is fixed properly. So our first layer is now done. Okay, so now we'll fix this edge, this layer. Okay, so now we have green, yellow and blue, and yellow and white. Okay, yellow and blue. Okay, so this piece yellow and blue will fix here. So we have to bring this blue on top. So this is a setup move. So this piece will come here on back side. so this is anti-clockwise movement. So u prime, L prime, 2m, E prime, again 2m, E prime, L, 2u prime, L prime, 2m, E prime, 2m, E prime, L and u prime. And now undo the setup move. So now you can see this is fixed into its correct position. Now we have green and yellow, sorry, orange and yellow. Orange and yellow will fix here. So what we'll do is this will be, what if we do, and I mean setup move, so it will be flipped. Okay, so this time what we have to do is, to fix this over here, we have to use this side. So let me check how can we, this yellow will be on top and this will be on bottom. Okay, so what we have to do is, we have to do again a setup move, two setup moves. One is we have to move this middle layer here, and this layer we have to move it like this. So what will happen is, this is yellow and orange, so yellow side will come here and orange side will go back side. So you know, this is the orange center, so it will fix into its proper position. Okay, so from here we have to do a right side algorithm. So it is u r 2m u, again 2m u, r prime, 2u, r, 2m e, 2m e, and r prime. And now we have to undo the setup move. So now we can see this is fixed into its correct position. Okay, so now we are left with these two are flipped. So this blue and white should be here, and this red and white, sorry, this blue and white is flipped, so this should be here, and this is into another side. So here it should be white and blue, and here it should be white and green. So we have white and green, and we have white and blue also. This is white and green, so this piece will come here, and this white and blue piece will come into back side. Okay, so what we'll do is, we'll not use this first we'll place this, we'll have to park this white and blue piece in some unsolved piece, with some unsolved piece. So we have one unsolved piece, that is here, this is unsolved piece, this one. So it is again a setup move. We have to undo the setup move first after doing this algorithm. So first we'll place this over here, right? So again it is anti-clockwise algorithm. So u prime, L prime, 2m, E prime, 2m, E prime, r prime, sorry, L, 2u prime, again L prime, 2m, E prime, 2m, E prime, and L and U prime. Okay, now we'll have to undo the setup move first. Okay, now you can see we have placed this piece which was white and blue over here. Now we have white and blue and white and green, and we have to first place white and green, because this piece will come here and then it will move here, so it will be 3 cycles. So first we have to bring this over here, and then this piece will bring it over here, so this white and green will come here. Okay, so first we have to place white and green, and since it's white on top, so we have to place this piece also from this angle. So this is white and green, and we have to do a setup move because our top is white. Okay, so this piece will come here, and this is a right side algorithm, so we have to move it like this. So it is U R 2M E 2M E R prime 2U again R 2M E 2M E R prime, and now we have to undo the setup move. Okay, so now we can see we have placed this white and green over here, and once we place this one more cycle, this white and green will place here, and this white and blue will place on back side. Okay, so now we have to use this white and blue from this angle, because our top is on white side, so we have to use it from this angle. So this white will come here in place of white and green. This white and green will come here, and it will be, both will be placed properly. Okay, so this is left side again. So U prime L prime 2M E prime 2M E prime L prime, sorry, L U prime and again U prime, I mean 2U prime, again L prime 2M E prime 2M E prime L prime, sorry, L and U prime. Now we have to undo the setup move, so we'll undo the setup move. Okay, so now we can see our this layer is also done, and this layer is also done. Okay, so now we are left with this middle layer only, and we are left with 1, 2, 3 pieces. One piece is already placed properly, so we are left with 1, 2 and 3 pieces. Okay, so to place these pieces, what we have to do is, first we have to disturb these two pieces, so we'll have to park them to fix 3 pieces. So what we have to do is, here it should be white and orange, right? So where is white and orange? So white and orange is here. So, and this is white and red, and this is yellow and red. So all unsolved pieces, what we can do is we can park in different places and we can fix it. So first what we'll do is we'll place the pieces into unsolved pieces. So this is unsolved piece, this is unsolved piece, and this is unsolved piece. So we have 3 unsolved pieces. So what we'll do is we'll place these 2 pieces into unsolved slot, and then we'll fix the edges. So first we'll have to take out this pieces. We have to park it in unsolved piece with unsolved pieces. So this is again right side algorithm. So u r 2m e 2m e r prime 2u r 2m e 2m e r prime and u. Okay, so one piece is already placed. Now we have to place this another piece into unsolved slot. So we can fix it here or maybe here. So we'll fix it here only, this side. So this piece will come here. Okay, so again same algorithm, u r 2m e 2m e r prime 2u r 2m e again 2m e r prime and u. Okay, now we'll undo the setup move. So now we have placed the solved edges into unsolved places. Now we have to fix this edge pieces into equator layer. So this is, we have yellow and red piece. So we have to fix yellow and red. So where is yellow and red? Okay, so it will fix between these two edge pieces, right? So if we plan to place from here, this will be flipped. So it will, I mean, yellow side will come on top and red side will come here. So it will be fixed with flipped. So what we have to do is we have to flip this piece from this angle. So yellow will be here and we have to fix from this angle. So this red will come back side and this yellow side, I mean this yellow side will come here and it will be properly placed. So this is anti-clockwise movement and this is a setup move. So u prime L prime 2m e 2m e L 2u prime again L prime 2m e prime 2m e prime and L. Okay, so now you can see the yellow and red piece is placed into its correct position. Okay, now we have white and orange piece. So white and orange piece will fix here. So again we have to use a setup move, because if we'll fix from this side it will be fixed with flip. So I mean orange side will come this side and white side will come this side. So what we have to do is we have to bring this piece over here and we have to do this setup move. So this orange will come into back side and this white side will come here and it will be placed properly. So u prime L prime 2m e prime 2m e prime L 2u prime again L prime, 2m E prime, 2m E prime, and L. Okay, so now we have to undo the setup move. Okay, so most of the pieces we have fixed. Now we are left with 1 and 2. So this piece we have fixed, this piece already it was fixed, this is also fixed. So now we are left with this piece, white and red. So white and red we have to fix, and we have to fix in such a fashion that other piece that is orange and green will automatically fix into its place. Okay, so now we are left with one white and red, and white and red will fix here, right? So again we have to use the setup move. So we have to use this setup move from here. So this white piece will come here, I mean white side will come here, and this red side will come here, and it will be placed properly. Okay, so we'll use this anti-clockwise again setup move. This is our setup move. So U prime, again L prime, 2m E prime, 2m E prime, L, 2u prime, L prime, 2m E prime, again 2m E prime, and L. Okay, so now you can see we have fixed almost all pieces except I think 2 pieces. These 2 pieces are not properly placed because we used to fix this equator line. We could have done it using the strategy that all the pieces fix at the same time, but now we can again fix it. So what we'll have to do is we'll have to bring this 2 piece again out, and then we'll have to fix it. So this is flipped into its original position, and this is also flipped. So okay, now we have to bring this out. So this piece will come here. So this is right side algorithm. U R 2m E 2m E R prime 2u R 2m E 2m E R prime and u. Okay, so this has come out. Okay, now we have to bring another piece also. So we'll bring one more piece over here, this green. So this piece will come here, again right side movement, U R M 2m E 2m E R prime 2u, again R 2m E 2m E R prime and u. Okay, so again we brought out both the pieces, red and green and orange and green. Now we have to place it in such a fashion that all 4 pieces fixed into its correct position without flip, right? Okay, so now we have to strategize because these 2 pieces belongs to this side and we have taken out these two pieces of this layer to fix this. But now if we again try to place this piece into its correct position, because it will be in its correct position, but this piece will fix flipped. So what we can do is we can try to fix this piece into some other slot. So we'll have to again damage this setting to fix this two edge pieces. So again we have to use clockwise algorithm. So R U 2M E 2M E R prime 2U again R 2M E 2M E R prime and U. Okay, so we have placed this edge piece into different slot. Now what we will do is we'll place first this orange and green piece, and then we'll place orange and green and red. So first orange and green. So this is orange and green piece which we have to first place over here, and since we have to do 2 cycles to place it from here to here, so this since it's on green on top, so we have to use a setup move to fix this. So this is green and orange and we have to fix it from here. So this is green side on top, so it will come here and then we have to fix it. So this is a setup move. So again U prime L prime 2M E prime again 2M E prime L 2U prime again L prime 2M E prime 2M E prime and L. Okay, now we'll have to undo the algorithm, undo the setup move. So now you can see here we have this green and orange piece which is placed correctly. Now we have to bring it here. So what we'll do is we have to bring this green and red into this slot and this will come here. So what we'll have to do is we'll have to smartly do it because this piece okay. Meanwhile what we can do is we can do one more thing, because otherwise it will be in a loop, because this will be fixed, then again we will have 3 edges which are left with unsolved edges of equatorial line. So what we'll do is we'll first fix this, and this green and orange will come here. So first we'll try to fix this red and white. So red and white belongs to this side, so this will go on back side and green and orange will come here. So first we'll fix this from here, and it is our setup move. So white is, I mean this piece will come here. So u prime, again L prime, so 2m E prime, 2m E prime, L 2u prime, L prime, 2m E prime, again 2m E prime and L. Okay, so okay, we have done again a mistake by placing this, because we placed it in a flipped position. So anyways, now we have orange and green. This is placed properly. Now we have orange and white which needs to be placed. So orange and white, first we'll have to bring this out. So again what we'll do is we'll bring this piece only out, because this is wrongly placed. So u r 2m E 2m E r prime 2u r 2m E, again 2m E r and u. Okay, so we brought this out. Now we have to fix white and orange, this piece. So white and orange, we have to fix it over here. So again we have to use a setup move, because we have to use a setup move. So this orange will come here and white will be placed here. So it is u prime L prime 2m E prime 2m E prime L 2u prime, again L prime 2m E prime 2m E prime and L. Okay, now we'll undo the setup move. So we have placed this white and orange piece into its correct position. Now we have to place white and red. So now we have two pieces and we have to smartly use white and red. Okay, so what we have to do is, this piece will come here. This is a perfect thing, because this space will go back, and which we require, and it will be no, I think it will be again flipped. Okay, first we'll fix this, and then we'll take a next move, because it will be again fixed with a flip. So u prime L 2m E prime, 2m E prime, L prime, L, 2u prime, L prime, 2m E prime, 2m E prime, and L. Okay, so now this is fixed. Now we have to, this is flipped, so what we have to do is we have to use from this angle. So this green piece will come here and this both will be solved, and this piece will come here and this piece will come here. So this will be flipped and this will be, so two pieces will be flipped, but they will be, one will be here and one will be here. Okay, so we have to use from this angle. So u prime, again L prime, 2m E prime, again 2m E prime, L, 2u prime, again L prime, 2m L prime E prime, 2m E prime, and L. Okay, so as predicted, this and these two pieces are flipped, and all other pieces are, this piece is properly placed, this is flipped and this is flipped, everything else is into its correct position. Now we can see it. Okay, so now what we have to do is we have to use two different angles. So okay, this is probably the last step. So we have two edge pieces which are flipped, so one is this and one is this. So what we have to do is we have to use from this angle. So this piece will come here in place of white and red, and this piece will come here, right? So first let us use this algorithm, right side algorithm. So R U 2m E 2m E R prime 2u, again R 2m E 2m E R prime and u. Okay, so as predicted, this is now placed here. Okay, so now what we have to do is we have to again use from this angle, and we'll have to use it from here. So this green piece will come here and this orange piece will come here. I think now we'll use 2 cycles and it will be done. So let's try from this angle. Okay, so u prime L prime 2m E prime again 2m E prime L 2u prime again L prime 2m E prime 2m E prime and L. Okay, so now let us see okay, so now this is placed properly, and the last algorithm, I mean last cycle, will fix the corners or edges. So this is the last step, wherein this piece red and green will come here, and this green and orange will come here, and this yellow and orange will be placed here with a flip, and our cube will be solved. So this is a setup move. So U prime, L prime, 2m, E prime, again 2m, E prime, L, 2u prime, L prime, 2m, E prime, 2m, E prime, and L. And now you can see our cube is solved. So you can see all our pieces are solved. So thank you very much. If you have any query, you can message me. Thank you.